this, I'm like this, yes, make them like this, I'm like this, I'm like this, yes, make them like this, I'm like this, yes, make them like this.
Here we go, just to give you an idea of how the wheels are looking. This is about 6 millimeters more offset than the stock wheel. You see there, it's going to end up being a little bit more flush. Obviously, I'll show videos with this is the rear, same, about 6 off. And you can see here how the wheel just really gives it a good change. You can also see here my STM titanium lug bolts, fairly cheap. We'll try them out, see how those work out. I'll put a link in the description to the wheels and to the bolts. Giving you guys a tour. It's a Volt G025. It's lowered on KW suspension about 0.8, 0.9 of an inch. Live in the city, so